Hello, my name is Eddie Tofpik. I'm Head of Technical Analysis and Senior Markets Analyst at ADM Investor Services International Limited. And here is your daily technical analysis of Brent crude oil and spot gold.
ICE Brent crude oil futures. An unusual bullish engulfing pattern and bullish opening white Mariposa and bullish long white Mariposa yesterday. The base was on the 50% Fibonacci line of September-December 2022 move at 84.99 and just above the first of the moving averages, the medium moving average, currently at 84.74. Further down was the lower trend line, currently 84.12 of the very recent small expanding wedge pattern, with just underneath it the short medium moving average, currently 83.98. The top side was capped on a closing basis by the combination of the upper trend line, currently at 86.79, of the same very very recent small expanding wedge pattern, and the October 2018 high at 86.67. Further up, we have two important resistances. The purple highlighted neckline, currently 87.54 of the mid-March to early May head and shoulders top, and the 50% Fibonacci line of the November 2020 to March 22 move at 87.41, plus would fill in the changeover gap from April into May that was originally between 85.89 to 87.46. Overall, it was yet another close over the dark blue upper trend line, currently at 79.78 of the April to June bearish expanding wedge pattern. This break higher from the dark blue bearish expanding wedge pattern gives us potential topside of a primary target X in the 89.45 area, with a harder to reach secondary target X1 up in the 92.05 area. That is not all. You see, I have been studying the action since April quite closely, and what I have initially thought might be a bearish halfway hesitation has morphed and developed into a late April to date diving board pattern, which goes a long way to explain the cause of the recent bullishness. Now, so far today, well, not much of a range, but a definitive challenge to the October 2018 high and the upper trend line of the small expanding wedge pattern. Next is the important 50% Fibonacci line at 87.41. Spot gold. A possible second consecutive indecisive pattern yesterday, this time a possible spinning top after the previous session's doji cross. The top side was once again capped by the flatlining green highlighted short medium moving average, currently at 23.39, and the support was mainly from the lesser projected Fibonacci line at 23.26. Further down is the important 50% projected Fibonacci line at 23.01. It was nevertheless yet another consecutive close below the bright red lower time, currently 23.54 of the breached early October 23 to mid-February 2024 bullish Andrews pitchfork. I am thinking of demoting this pitchfork. Further down we have the dark blue neckline, currently at 22.93 of the possible April to date head and shoulders top. I initially was not wholly sold on this head and shoulders top idea, though I do see the merits. To me, the action looked like a possible double top type action. However, this idea is slowly fading away, but having the same neckline for both patterns, and it's highlighted as well, well, that does help in matters. So for today, well, not much. We're still within yesterday's range and looking like an indecisive doji cross right now.
Thank you for listening. This short version broadcast gives essential market patterns and consequences. Please be aware of the risk disclaimer posted both at the front and the back of this broadcast. Copyright is Eddie Tofpik and ADM Investor Services International Limited. And here comes the final important bit.